Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today I'll be sharing with you free 7 days course from CareerFoundry for product manager and completely free. And it's for 7 days. If you are thinking of becoming a product manager, I don't know where to start from. I bring you good news. Go check out CareerFoundry product management course for 7 days. So let's quickly run through what we have here. So we have this is CareerFoundry and it's called Product Management for Beginners and it's free for 7 days. It's a 7 days free trial from CareerFoundry on product manager course. So let's quickly dive into it. They have tutorial 1 and 2, 5, and then you have your final test. And in this free 7 days trial of this product management, you should be able to get more things, then decide if you want to take more courses from them. So let's quickly look at it. This is the tutorial 1, and it's introduction to product management. I've taken this first tutorial and it's mind-blowing, and I plan to complete this course. You'll be wondering, you are a product designer. Why are you taking product management courses? Yes, if I'm a product designer, I should be able to also manage products, and probably, who knows, you'll get my transition to being a product manager in the future. But it's very important to know about product management if you are a product designer, just to help guide you, understand why some decisions are being made. It's an add-on knowledge. So on this first tutorial, we have an introduction to product management, and here you are being introduced to what is product management. Here you are taught what product management is. Here what you will learn on this product is what is product manager, what is a product manager, and what does a product manager actually do. So they talk about what a product manager is, what does a product manager actually do, research, and tell you that product manager actually carry out product research and strategy and communicate more research, development and testing, rollout, iteration and maintenance. Then you wrap up, and then see this video, 1 hour video on introduction to product management. I watched this video and it's loaded. There are a lot of questions that were answered. So if you are planning of transitioning to product management, go check out this course. I'll drop the link on the description of this video. And this is one I've taken. Now let's go to tutorial 2. The second tutorial, we have an introduction to product management. Then you see that the product management process and the role of AI. So we have a lot here why we need to do research. You see that taking this course is not just because you are a product manager. As a product designer, you will do research. So this year, they're also telling you that you see that it's not just for product managers alone. As a product designer, you do research, and this will help you to also understand why you should carry out research as a product designer. So it's win-win for you if you take this course. Why do we need to define the problem after carrying out research? I'm not taking this, but with what I'm saying, I kind of understand what we're talking about. Why you need to define the problem. We have a lot of things here. The process of management process in 7 steps. We will teach you all this. I'm gathering ideas. As a product designer, you have an idea when you are gathering ideas to design the product. So it will also help you. It's not a waste. Determine the product specifications, creating a product roadmap, prioritizing, developing the product, running analytics and experiment, gathering user feedback. It's something you're familiar with as a product designer, so it's an add-on knowledge for you. Just go take this course, how product managers can leverage AI, and you have a quick task to complete. Let's quickly now go back to tutorial 3. You have product management research, an introduction to product analytics, an introduction to user test and user interview. Product designer, you are familiar with user tests and user interview. So when I said when you take this course, it's not just for product managers alone. You now understand what I'm talking about. And if you want to transition to product design, product manager, go look at this. If you are already a product designer, go check this out. It will help you And there's a video here, and I'm sure this video too will be so powerful like the first one in tutorial 1. I'm just in tutorial 1, and hopefully by the time you are watching this video I would have completed the 7 days trial. Minimum viable product, MVP, you hear about every day. So introduction to fidelity, introduction to minimum viable products, an introduction to wireframes. Yeah, give you a task to do. Then let's go to this, an introduction to roadmap and effective communication. Yeah, what is product roadmap? What are product roadmap for? What make a good product roadmap? A final note on effective communication. As a product designer, you know that you have to be effective in your communication, because you have to communicate your decisions to stakeholders, why you make such decision in your design. So I can tell you, if taking this course is not a waste and it's free. So I'm taking a shot. What are product roadmap for? You can see what make a product roadmap. Who are making your roadmap? Who are you making your roadmap for? The final note on effective communication, the wrap up. Then you also have a product, how to become a product manager in 2024. You also watch the video. I think that's it. Then you now take your final tests. This is where you take your final test to be able to get your certificate, and it's completely free. So this is the good news I decided to bring to you guys today on this video. On this, if you're a product manager following me, go check out this. If you're a product designer, go check this out to help you in your career. And thank you for watching this video so far. If you are seeing me for the first time, please do remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share with your friends and family. And I will see you in my next video. Kisses, kisses, kisses.